Hello, this is novaTopFlex, and in this video, I am still using FreeBSD 14.4, but this will be a video specifically about the package manager of a FreeBSD system. The package manager is called PKG. Usually, it is not installed on a default system. Because it is not yet installed on your system, you can say, do you want to fetch and install it now? And then Y and N. N is in uppercase, meaning it's a default answer. I want to. Yes. No by default. Bootstrapping from PKG and then https://pkg.freebsd.org/freebsd14 i386 quarterly. And then please wait. And then PKG help. So PKG help is going to be, and then let me actually check. PKG search, and then does dot work with PKG search? Yes or no? And then, I don't even think sudo is a feature on a standard installation of most BSD distros, nor on Alpine Linux, which is very similar to the BSDs, but is much more streamlined and uses a Linux kernel, but not a standard Linux. It is not using systemd, it uses OpenRC, it uses musl instead of glibc. Feel free to tell me in the comments what C library is used by the specific system known as... specific system known as FreeBSD, not NetBSD. This is FreeBSD. It's taking a while. So now PKG help search. Is there a way to do a PKG help search? Yes, there is. Now, man PKG is going to be manipulate packages here. And then PKG update. Updating FreeBSD repository catalog. It might take a while. Fetching metaconf data and then processing entry. So fetching data now is finished, and then processing entries. All repositories are up to date. So now PKG help. So this is going to be PKG upgrade. Your packages are up to date. PKG help less. So this is going to be the add and then install. So you can do PKG install for many different things, but PKG install sudo. Actually, I want to add nano to this list as well. Yes, please. CHVT is not available, but CHSH is. That's su. And then that's log out. And then, let me actually check more info. Not dot, not dash, but rather nano/etc/sudoers. Actually, I think that's going to be a new file, so now let me actually check. Once they have sudo running, so now I'm going to log out again, and I'm going to go to novaTopFlex. Sudo nano, and then this is going to be a test document. So for security reasons, the password you type will not be visible. This, by the way, I am not in the sudoers file. So now, where is the sudoers file? It's a user local etc sudoers. Nano user local etc sudoers. It is meant to be read-only. And then now, let me actually, chgrp, is that a feature? Yes. chgrp, and then novaTopFlex, and then sudo. Actually, man chgrp. Changed group. How about users? Change user group FreeBSD. So what you are supposed to do here is you need to use a pw command. So pw group mod, and then whenever it comes to this one, so I'm going to do pw group mod sudo, and then this is going to be -m novaTopFlex. This is an unknown group. Let me actually check what groups are available on my system. So whenever it comes to all of these, so let me actually check if there is a thing also. So PW, and then user group lock unlock, and then what I would like to do is PW, and then wheel, so unknown keyword wheel actually, so now I want to do PW group, and then I want to be able to do add, and then wheel, if that is possible. Group name wheel already exists. So that's group mod sudo. So now let me actually check if there is another way to do it. Can I add sudo? Yes. And then I can also do it. So now back to novaTopFlex, checking for valid status, sudo nano test. Password required. This is a test. It works actually. And then now sudo again rm test. Does it give me a 15-minute buffer? Oh, yes, it does. And if you like this type of content and would like to learn more about FreeBSD, feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe, and try to hack the YouTube algorithm. And thanks for watching. Signing off.